gents. Today we're going to be reviewing the 8RM Arm Motorsports Charge Pipe. We're going to be opening up the box and checking out everything that it comes with. We are going to be checking out how well are the welds, how smooth is the inside, and the overall manufacturing of the charge pipe itself. On a later on video, we are going to be doing the test fitment, and we're going to be doing the installation itself. So be on the lookout for that. Also, I am very excited since I got a whole bunch of more products. I got the 7-inch intercooler. I got the upgraded hoses. I got the HKS blow-off valve. I got the charge pipe, of course. And last but not least, I got the downpipes. We are also going to be doing installation of all of those, as well as checking out fitment. Now, let's get on with the video. I got a hell of a deal. Actually, not just me. If you want to order a couple of more products from them, Arm Motorsports, you actually could get a better deal if you buy bundles. If you want to buy a couple of more things, that would be great. Let's see what we got here. Okay, looks like this might be the charge pipe. Oh, okay. Great hoses. A couple of these things. Down pipes. Put this away. Let's go with this. You always want to be careful once you open like this. You may cut something. So what we got? Ooh, we got an O-ring. This is actually good. I noticed that that you order a charge pipe, you actually get charged for this. I believe it's like $12 or something. So that's good. They actually provide that.
Got the O-ring.
Got some clamps. Let's check out this package. See what it has.
As you can see, it has. These are the 2 clamps and 2 smaller clamps.
These other smaller clamps are to cap off your diverter valve ports. So these actually need to actually give you some of this. Oh, we got the plugs.
Oh, it's actually neat. They actually give you new bolts or screws for mass airflow sensor. Yeah. Cool.
Provide that. For the hose. Got your coupling and reducer that goes from the charge pipe and
To the intercooler. So let's check that out. Seems to be nice and thick. It's about, hose is about 3/8 in thickness. Seems to be nice quality.
charge pipe. Let's see. Okay, just looking at it, overall look, it definitely looks nice. I see that it actually has 2 additional ports. This is actually a plus, because I noticed when I was actually looking to see which charge pipe I was going to order, I noticed in a couple of companies that they actually charge you if later on the line you want to upgrade to having some nitros or meth. This is actually a plus, just to have some extra ports, just in case in the future you want to do something extra. You got this for the sensor, nice texture. On the inside, it looks nice.
Let's look at the texture. I like the texture. Okay. Probably do a little bit of cleaning there. But as far as the inside, as you can see, it's pretty smooth. Got a little bit rough edge over here, but that's perfectly normal. That's actually better than some other ones, because you actually see the weldings from this actual pipe over here, just like this. You actually see some of the weldings over here. So here they smooth that out, so you can have some nice flow, as you can see. Same thing. Let's put a little bit of light. Okay. Same thing over here. But throughout all, it looks smooth. I've seen also in some other companies that you have like a rougher type something like this on the inside. And I know, I mean, it makes a little bit of difference. So this is a nice big open area. It does make a little bit of a difference, since I know a couple of y'all have already heard of pouring and polishing a throttle body. So the smoother that it is, the better. Before I install this, I would, clean it up a little bit more. Clean this up. See if I could put something over here just to clean it up and make it a little bit smoother. But throughout all, definitely looks like a nice quality. Hell of a price. I know, at least for me, price makes a difference. For the price, you actually get this additional ports as well as the O-ring. I mean, that's always a plus. And also, last but not least, when I called them, actually I want to install a HKS glove valve. So I called them up as I was ordering everything else, and they told me that they were actually working on HKS charge pipe. So they go ahead and send me this. I would also be testing how it fits, and we're gonna check that out. So go ahead, if you like the review, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content, and I will see you guys again. Peace.